This video is for the bind off for the Unbearably Adorable Socks. So you've finished your 5 repeats of the stacked stitch pattern. You've done 10 rounds of purl 1 knit 2 ribbing, and you've joined your contrast color and are ready to begin the bind off. So you're going to start by binding off 1 stitch normally. So you knit 2 as you usually would, and you bind off 1 stitch. You're going to then slip that 1 stitch back to the left needle, and now we're going to cable cast on 1 stitch, so that you're going to go between the 2 stitches, which is a nice big hole there. You're going to pull up a loop and put that on the needle. Then we're going to bind off 4 stitches normally. So again, we start by knitting 2 when we start a bind off. 1, 2, and then we bind off 1, we knit another, we bind off 2, we knit another, bind off 3, knit 1, bind off 4. So we have created one tiny little point that is centered over your 2 stitches from the rib, your 2 knit stitches from the rib. We're going to repeat that. So we slip this one back to the left needle. We're going to cable cast on 1, and then we're going to bind off 4. One, 2, 3, 4. And then we transfer that one back to the left needle to start the repeat over again. So this creates a little more stretch in that bind off with those extra stitches and gives the very tiniest decorative edge.